Slowly the train came into motion and our journey to the north began. We left the city of Bangkok behind us. Old ceiling fans slowly spun above our heads, while vendors with all sorts of snacks and beverages walked along the aisle. The wooden benches of the third-class carriage were full. Every now and then we stopped and people would get on and off. When the train was moving fast, the heat disappeared and the wind cooled our faces. Sometimes people would smile. Sometimes sleep came. We hung out the windows at the stations and people would wave when the train continued on. It became quiet in the train as the evening approached. From many soft shades of green and grey to golden rays of sunshine before sunset. Then the sky turned pastel before darkness settled in.